Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about phone conversation.
Hi. Hello. Do you usually talk on the phone? Yes, I do. It's a good way to keep in touch. What was your favorite phone conversation? It was when I talked to my interviewer. He did give me the good news that I got the job. When did you have the conversation? I don't remember exactly, but it's been 2 years so far, I guess. Who did you talk to? I talked to the owner of the restaurant, where I'm working as a cashier. What did you talk about? He offered me the position, and congratulated me. Why did you find the conversation interesting? Actually, it was more exciting than interesting. I was waiting for it, for so long, and finally, he did make it come true. Do you prefer talking directly, or talking on the phone? Personally, talking directly is much better to me, since it's more lively and authentic. Who do you usually talk to on the phone? I talk to my mom almost every day. I will be missing the conversation every evening with mom, if one day she stops calling me. What are the differences between talking directly and phoning? Well, talking directly seems more exciting, since you can see facial expression, eye contact, while talking on the phone, you can only listen to the voice.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about phone conversation. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.